I'm Chuck Pippin from iKon Boats. Here's some quick tips on how to minimize scratching and scuffing that can be caused by your trailer bunks when launching and loading your bass boat.
In any given body of water where you find a busy boat ramp, you can bet there will be plenty of potentially abrasive debris suspended in the water column caused from power launching and loading. It would be nearly impossible to completely avoid some scratching and scuffing when unloading and loading your boat on its trailer. These minor scuffs will buff out, but I've learned the hard way about what I'm about to show you. I also routinely fish in some pretty dirty water here in Central Florida. Luckily, this isn't my boat. Thicker, softer bunk carpet can be less abrasive, but it doesn't dry out quickly and over time can cause blistering in your gel coat. It's not hard to see the dirt and debris that quickly accumulates on carpeted bunks. When launching your boat, if possible, and with your bow eye still secured, it's good practice to back your trailer down far enough to fully submerge all of your trailer's bunks. Soaking the bunk carpet before launching will ensure that the hull is not sliding across dry carpet that's potentially more abrasive. When it's time to load back up, repeat the process of completely dunking your trailer bunks that have had time to dry and become more abrasive while you were out on the lake. Once soaked, you can pull back up to whatever level necessary for loading your boat. Power loading, or driving your boat onto the trailer with the use of the outboard, is not permitted at many boat ramps, but is common practice among bass boaters, and this is when a lot of the scuffing and scratching occurs. Be sure that your outboard is trimmed up and your bow eye is fully secured to your trailer's winch strap before hauling your boat out of the water. And finally, here's the alternative to standard bunk carpet that I mentioned earlier in this video. Gatorback bunk covers are now an upgradable option when ordering any new iKon bass boat, and Gatorback kits for all iKon boat models are available through authorized iKon boat dealers. Gatorback bunk covers are designed to replace carpet for boat bunks with a soft, 100% custom synthetic material that doesn't trap water and debris against your hull while providing a durable and soft surface for your boat to rest on. Eliminating these problems prevents gel coat blistering, transfer of invasive species, prolongs the life of bunk boards, and allows you to easily keep your bunks clean and free of damaging debris. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the rest of iKon Boats' channel for more how-tos and helpful tips.